Hello students, today our topic is tenses. This is the second part of series tenses. In this video, we are covering present simple tense, present continuous tense with Urdu explanation. The topic is taken from your class metric English book, syntax board book, unit number 2, dignity of work, page number 36, 37, exercise 1, 2, 3 and present continuous tense. Present continuous tense used for action and progress. The action that is we are doing right now at this moment at the present time. जो काम इस वक्त हो रहा है उसके लिए प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस यूज होता है. द कैट इज स्लीपिंग ऑन द सोफा. दे आर वॉचिंग अ मूवी टुगेदर राइट नाउ. नाउ नंबर 2 यूज इज टेम्पररी एक्शंस. जो थोड़े वक्त के लिए काम होता है उसके लिए भी प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस यूज होता है. आई एम स्टेइंग एट द होटल दिस वीक बिकॉज माई हाउस इज बिन पेंटेड. आई एम नॉट स्टेइंग इन द होटल परमानेंटली, or this is not something which is routine I do. I am staying in the hotel for some time. Right now I am staying in the hotel. This is a temporary action जो कुछ वक्त के लिए काम होता है उसके लिए भी present continuous tense यूज होता है. नया फ्यूचर, ऐसे प्लान्स जो हम दूसरों के साथ मिलके बनाते हैं but the time and date are not scheduled or fixed. We can change them according to our wish. ऐसे जिसमें हम अब चेंज कर सकते हैं टाइम और डेट में, उसको नियर फ्यूचर के लिए भी वी यूज प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. शी इज स्टार्टिंग हर न्यू जॉब नेक्स्ट वीक. वी आर गोइंग टू द बीच ऑन संडे. फेल हाल जारी, ऐसा काम जो मौजूदा वक्त में हो रहा हो. फॉर सिंगुलर नाउन ही शी इट या एनी सिंगुलर नाउन, व्हेन वी मेक द सेंटेंस ऑफ प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस उसमें इज यूज होता है और वर्ब के साथ आईएनजी यूज होता है. फॉर प्लूरल नाउन दे वी यू या कोई भी प्लूरल नाउन होगा तो वर्ब के साथ आर यूज होता है एंड वी यूज आईएनजी in the verb and we use are there. For I we always use am. With I we always use am and with verb we use in. अब कुछ एग्जांपल्स देखते हैं प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस के उर्दू में. वो खेल रहा है, ही इज प्लेइंग. हम पढ़ रहे हैं, वी आर स्टडिंग. मैं लिख रहा हूँ, आई एम राइटिंग. बच्चे रो रहे हैं, द चिल्ड्रन आर क्राइंग. फॉर नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस, जब प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस के नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाएंगे, ही शी इट और एनी सिंगुलर नाउन वी यूज इज नॉट. ही इज नॉट ईटिंग पिज्जा. दे वी यू या एनी प्लूरल नाउन, कोई भी प्लूरल नाउन होगा सब्जेक्ट की जगह पे, सो वी यूज आर. Are not. We are not cleaning the home. And with I, we always use am. Am not. I'm not playing. For interrogative sentences, like for questions, we use for he, she, and it, or any singular noun we use is. Is he eating pizza? They, we, you, I, we always use they, we, you, or any plural noun we use are. They are eating pizza. और I के साथ हमेशा am use होता है. Am I eating pizza? Now this is a chart of present simple tense and present continuous tense. We have already discussed all these things. Now let's do the exercise number 2. Fill the blanks with the help of present continuous tense. Look it. It के साथ is आता है. It is raining so hard. We, many people. We means for many people. For plural subject we use are. We are learning English these days. The birds, many birds. The birds are singing and the farmers, many farmers are listening their songs. The teacher is explaining and the students are writing. Teacher is, one teacher is there, singular subject is there. And students, many students are there. Plural noun hai, students, so we use are there. Some children, बहुत सारे बच्चे are swimming in the pond and some are making clay toys. Now this is exercise number 3. Fill the blanks with the help of present simple tense and present continuous tense. We dash to Gilgit tomorrow. इसमें कोई time fix नहीं है. We can change the time in this plane, but so we use are traveling. We are traveling to Gilgit tomorrow. My sister behaves nicely with everyone. This is a routine. This is her habit. ये उसकी आदत है. His brother drinks tea 3 times a day. Again, this is a habit. Our uncle is coming to our house this weekend. No time fix is there. No timetable is scheduled here. Near future में ये action होने वाला है. She understands and speak Persians very well. I clean my room every day and I also wash my clothes sometimes. So this is a habit again. My mother usually watches television at this time, but today she is sleeping. Right now watches, so this is a habit. और अभी वो क्या कर रही है? She is sleeping. Exercise number 4. Fill the blanks with the help of present simple, present continuous tense, and use the verb from the box. The school holidays are beginning tomorrow. This is a something, some action. This is going to happen in the future. लेकिन इसमें कोई टाइम फिक्स नहीं है. Are beginning tomorrow. The children are sitting together and are planning what to do. Right now, at this moment, the children are sitting together. They agree to go to the village fair on Saturday. On Saturday morning, they all get up early and dress quickly and gather outside. They inform their mother that they are going to the village with their father. As soon as father comes outside, they all shout with joy. The father knows that his children are looking forward to the trip. He hires a carriage and takes them to the fair. As soon as they reach there, the children jump from the carriage. They move from one stall to another. The father gives them some money and tells them to enjoy themselves. After some time, although the father sees that the children are enjoying a lot, he asks everyone together as the sun is setting and their mother are waiting for them to get home. Sorry, the mother is waiting for their home to get the home.